welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today I am going to make same moola and potato recipe. So, I will show you while making the recipe. Over here I have put the oil to turn hot, you can see. I have taken some jeera here. This jeera I will put in. Now I will put in the friends, I will let this fry. Let the onions turn brown. Friends, this is the masala paste which I have made. This has got garlic, red dry chili and onions. This I made into a paste. Friends, you can see the onion is turned brown. Now I will put in this masala. This is the masala water. I will not use chili powder because I have already put red dry chilies ground up and put. This is the turmeric powder. This I am putting. Friends, this is the jeera powder. This I will put in now. I will let the masala turn brown. This is the same. This is the moola, murai, radish, and this is the potato. All three mixed together I will make the recipe, the curry. I hope you all will like it. So, I will let this masala turn brown first. Friends, you can see the masala turn brown, you can see it. Now I will put in the same first. Then I will put the radish, moola. And then goes the potatoes. Friends, now I will put in the salt. I will mix it up well. Friends, now I will cover this and let the vegetable fry a little bit. the vegetable with the masala. Now I have cut up some tomatoes. This also I will put in. Friends, now I will add some water. Now I will cover it up again and let it cook. Friends, you can see this recipe is ready. I hope you all will like this recipe. Simple and ordinary way.